What if I told you AI could help you make money on the side, even while you sleep? Stick around, because today we're diving into AI-powered side hustles and whether they can really make you rich. Number 1. The rise of AI side hustles. AI is no longer just for tech experts and companies, it's available for everyone. Today, people are using AI to create passive income, automate tasks, and even launch their own businesses. But is it too good to be true? Can AI really help you make a lot of money? Let's find out. Number 2. AI-powered freelance work. First, let's look at how AI is revolutionizing freelance work. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or digital marketer, there are AI tools that can help you automate work, speed up your processes, and increase your earning potential. For instance, AI tools like Jasper and Copy AI can help you write content in minutes, while AI design software helps you create graphics and marketing materials quickly and cheaply. Number 3. AI in investing and trading. What about AI in investing and trading? Many people are turning to AI-powered tools like robo-advisors or AI trading bots to help them invest and trade in the stock market, cryptocurrency, and real estate. AI analyzes vast amounts of data, spots patterns, and even predicts market trends faster than any human could. But can it really make you rich? Well, it depends on the strategy, risk tolerance, and the AI tools you use. Number 4. AI for passive income. One of the most popular ways AI can help you earn money is through passive income. By setting up AI-driven systems like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even AI-run websites, you can generate money without much daily effort. You can use AI payment tools to automate everything from customer service to inventory management, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business or pursuing other ventures. Number 5. Truth about AI side hustle. So, can AI really make you rich? Well, the truth is that it's possible, but it's not as easy as it sounds. AI can give you the tools, but success still requires hard work, patience, and learning. Many people see quick results, but some also lose money, especially when they rely too heavily on automated systems without understanding the risks. If you want to get started with AI side hustles, it's important to do your research, understand the tools you're using, and be prepared to adapt along the way. AI is not a shortcut to instant wealth. It's a powerful tool to help you work smarter, not harder. Number 6. Now it's time for you to decide. Are you ready to use AI to boost your income and build a profitable side hustle? Let me know in the comments below which AI tools you're interested in trying out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more on how to make AI work for you. Thanks for watching.